Hi there, welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So, cleaning franchises. Well, today I'm not here to discuss whether or not someone should go into having a cleaning business, be a franchisee or not, or have their own independent cleaning business. I've discussed that plenty in old videos. No, today I just want to point out three things that I think cleaning franchises, really franchises in general, always did a pretty good job with focusing on. I think many of them still do today. So let's look at those. Number one, they always looked at systems. That may be the biggest thing. I think a lot of times they said, listen, let's have procedures for accounting and administration, all kinds of systems and procedures and protocols for our franchisees to follow. It can really help to take the guesswork out of things when you repeatedly do them the same way, and then you can change them and tweak them out a little bit. That is a big advantage to have those in your company. Secondly is some element of branding, whether it be the cars have their certain name on them. And again, it doesn't matter if it's cleaning franchises or restaurants, you get that feeling of branding that brings an element of professionalism that you tend to really kind of gravitate towards. When you don't as a buyer know, you feel like, well, there's a very professional approach and image. And then the third thing is they used to, and I don't know if this is as much the case anymore, have certain amount of funds that they would put towards marketing and advertising. So this dedicated amount of money, when you're running your own cleaning business, when you're paying wages and all the expenses of overhead, it's hard to always make sure you put aside enough money to get new business with marketing and advertising. But, franchises, I think, knew that, and they tried to have rules about how to follow that, or maybe even on a national scale, they'd even have advertising of the entire franchise. So 3 things to remember about cleaning franchises. Whether or not you have one or not, there are lessons to be learned, even and also for independent cleaning businesses that they can do in their own company. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.